So everyone, I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of Kryate, what are its features, what are its use cases, and so on. So please do log in first, and you can go to the dashboard. At dashboard, you be provided with the option to upload a resume by default. Now, because I already uploaded resume, you cannot see that. Just click on new resume, and you can either enter a manually a resume or you can upload your existing resume. So I have already an uploaded resume over here. So you can see these are my details. If I want, I can make any changes from here. You could also use the voice feature, to dictate something. So how Create works. So with this base resume, you can create multiple customizations with regards to each job description. What I'm going to do is basically I'm going to copy a Python backend developer job role. So which basically ChatGPT has created for me. So this is a job role which is there. I'm going to give it now. The creator is going to customize your resume as per the job description. So this is the customized version of it. So this has improved my Python focus backend developer. So it has improved my description. So you can actually toggle on or off, and this will make the changes accordingly. So yeah, so that's the one more the feature. So it's basically, so if you just click back, it will show the previous summary and on the new summary also. You can also edit directly from here. So it's Python focus, Python backend developer. So just click say that is also happening. And so yeah, that's how you can create multiple customizations of the same one. You can also create a cover letter for your resume. So you have posted the job description on this. If you click the cover letter button, this would also help you to create a cover letter for you. You can also just go to the improvement section. You can also edit the summary from here as well as dump from here. Or if you want to add or remove anything from here, you can also do from the sidebar over here. So let's go back to cover letter. It's still generating. Let's give it a few seconds while the cover letter is generating right now. Okay, as you can see, the cover letter is also now generated successfully. You can copy it or save it somewhere. Save. That's saved. You can actually just copy it and use it for somewhere else. So let's go back to the dashboard. I'll show you how the directory is set. So we have the base resume, we have customization 1. So this is the customization which is related to the Python backend developer role. Now let's create a new customization from here directly. And what I'm going to give you is a new role, which is a Node.js front-end developer role. So let me just take that and paste it the job description of a Node.js backend front-end role. So this is going to update the resume accordingly. It's going to tailor the resume accordingly. So yeah. Now there is one called evaluate button. Now evaluate section is what to do. What it does is basically evaluates your resume with respect to the who's your evaluator. So you can actually give the job role. You can give which kind of industry you're giving. So I'm going to give my software role as senior Django developer. So I'm just giving the role as a Django developer. I'm going to give the industry as healthcare, and the recruiter type. So who's going to review? Is it HR who's going to review my resume, or it's like a technical HR guy, or it's an ATS or like automated screen systems? You can just choose any of those one. Just click HR, and I'm just going to evaluate my resume. So like, in case if you give a lot of technical jargons and if this doesn't understand it, so the system will flag accordingly. So it's just evaluating the resume right now. So I know that'll give it a few minutes. At the same time, you can see basically this resume has been updated. Even the skill section is also updated with regards to front-end development with regards to Node.js. So that's how you can create customization. Now let's go back again to the dashboard. I'll show you. There are multiple customizations. You can also rename each customization. You can give it as Django, and you can give this one as maybe it's a Python developer. You can rename this too. So yeah, so that's how all things work. So yeah, that's how I'll just show you more. So this is how the evaluation system works. So it will flag all the important thing. Actually, you know what? So these are missing things which in my resume. So that's how it flag things. It will you can improve them upon. Now there is populate section. Now what does populate do actually? With there are many users who LinkedIn is kind of pretty stale. This will just help you to improve your LinkedIn. So you can just click on generate posts. So you can just give a custom prompt or just choose any of the existing template. Now this will generate multiple LinkedIn posts for you, which you can actually post to LinkedIn and kind of create a small improve your whole LinkedIn profile. So that's what the use of populate is. Now let's just give it some time. This will also be successful. See, this is a good post with regards to, let's say, Yeah, this is actually within Python and Django. So that's a really good LinkedIn post you can put in a LinkedIn. So that's the whole use of populate section over here. If we click on post to LinkedIn, it will actually redirect towards LinkedIn, and you can just, click post from here. So that's how the populate section works. I'm just closing, not going to post this right now, but yeah. So that's a quick demo of how Create works, what are its features. Hope you like it, and please do give it a try. That's it. Bye.